it is aromatic. Same way, pyridine is also considered as aromatic because 2 pi electrons are here unused in the orbital overlapping. But same way in this case, pyrrole 5-member ring is there, heterocyclic system is there, 5-member ring is there, but number of pi electrons are 4. So 4n plus 2 equal to number of pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 equal to 4. So 4n equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Equal to 2, therefore n equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1/2. So according to, but we can say that the pyrrole is an aromatic. So this doesn't, but pyrrole, we can say that pyrrole is aromatic. In the according to the Huckel rule, we cannot say that it is aromatic, but we can say that pyrrole must be aromatic. But nitrogen of 2 electrons are used in, of nitrogen 2 electrons are used in overlapping the orbitals. So total number of 4 pi electrons plus 2 electrons of nitrogen. So number of electrons equal to 6 pi electrons. Hence it obey Huckel rules. Same way in pyridine is aromatic, pyrrole is, according to the Huckel rule, we can say that it is non-aromatic, but due to the presence of 2 electrons on nitrogen, it is overlapping with sharing to form pi electrons and orbital overlapping. 2 electrons are used, and these 2 electrons are orbital overlapping used, and hence we can say that it is aromatic. But in case of furan, this is the case of furan. Oxygen has 4 electrons. Same example in this, but in case of nitrogen there are 2 extra pair of electrons. These are used in orbital overlapping. But in case of furan, 2 electrons are overlapping in the orbital overlapping. Remaining 2 electrons are unused. So that's why it is known as a aromatic. For the case of thiophene, one connected to p orbital and another connected to d orbital, because this nitrogen and oxygen connected to p orbitals, this sulfur is having p orbital and another connected to d orbital. So there are 4 electrons. 2 electrons are used in the orbital overlapping, and hence thiophene are aromatic. So according to the Huckel rules, pyrrole, furan, thiophene are not aromatic, but of the heteroatom containing 2 electrons present on nitrogen atom, 2 electrons are used in the orbital overlapping, and then total number of electrons are not 4, but we can say that 6 electrons, and 6 electrons are present, and then we can say that it is a aromatic. Same way furan, we can't say that Huckel rule, according to the Huckel rule, we can't say that furan is aromatic. It is non-aromatic. But according to the 4 electrons present in oxygen heteroatom, 2 electrons are used in the orbital overlapping, remaining 2 electrons are present, but total number of electrons are 6. 6 electrons are present. So Huckel rule, it must be a aromatic. Same way in thiophene, there are total 6 electrons, 2 electrons are unused and remaining 2 electrons are orbital overlapping for sharing to get aromatic. So that's why furan, thiophene and pyrrole are aromatic in nature. But in case of 6-member ring pyridine, there are already 6 pi electrons are used, but 2 electrons are unpaired, 2 electrons are unused, so it is aromatic. So 5-member ring heteroatom there, all 3 compounds are unsaturated. One is thiophene, furan and pyrrole. These 3 are aromatic according to the aromatic character. Now another is 6-member ring containing two heteroatom present, so it is known as 1,3-diazine. If numbering is always start from heteroatom, it is known as 1,3-diazine. But if the 2 heteroatoms are on adjacent carbon, so it is known, and it is common name for this compound is pyrimidine. So we name common name, it is known as di plus aza plus, this is the IUPAC names, plus in. So A is yielding, so it is named as diazine. But this diazine at carbon number 1 and 3. In this case, it is known as 1,2-diazine. And it is called, common name for this compound is known as a pyrazine. Now these 2 heteroatoms present. If 3 heteroatoms are present, numbering is 1, numbering is 2, numbering is 3. So it is known as 1,2,3-triazine. If 3 heteroatoms are present, 1, 2, 4, so it is known as a 1,2,4-triazine, and it is 1,2,3-triazine, it is called as a V-triazine. It is known as S-triazine. So these are the difference between the 3 heteroatoms are present at different positions. If the 3 different heteroatoms are present, at an alternate side, so it is known as 1,1,3,5-triazine. So these 3 different atoms are positioned at situation symmetrical triazine, and it is used as a reactive dyes for. And this reactive dye is used and dyeing on cotton fiber. This is dyeing on cotton fiber, mostly on cotton fiber. Now this react cyanuric chloride, well known example is, now another example, 7-member ring is there. If 7-member ring is there, 8-member ring is there, 3 member ring is there, we call as abbreviated as IR. If 4 member is there, we call as IT. If 5 member ring is there, we call as a all. If 6 member ring there is IN. If 7 member ring is there, we call as EP. If 8 member ring is there, we call as a OC. If 9 member ring is there, we call as ON. If 10 member ring is there, we call as EC. Now we take the example of 3 member ring, 4 member ring, 5 member, 6 member. Now we take the example of 6 member up to 7 member ring is there. And one heteroatom is present, and this is an unsaturated compound. So numbering is start from heteroatom. So it is 1, but this compound containing 2 number at hydrogen so we call as 2H. Present of heteroatom we call as aza. 7 member ring is there, so we call as epene. So yielding a necessary, so we call as 2H azepine. Now another ring, if 8 member ring is there, heteroatom present at carbon 1, numbering start. Unsaturation is present, means carbon-carbon double bond is there, so we call as aza. We can't numbering in above 7 member ring, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the 7 member ring, so that's why we call as EP. It is 7 member, and this is the compound that is a 8 member ring, so numbering is start from 1, 2, 3. So this 8 member ring is there, so we call aza plus OC plus, we abbreviated as EINE because the presence of unsaturation, so we name as azocine yielding A where necessary, so this is known as azocine. Now connected to this compound 5 member, 4 up to 8 member. Now we contain a bicyclic compounds. So one is isoquinoline. This isoquinoline contains one fused system bicyclic compound, and this bicyclic compounds is one is benzene ring, another is pyridine ring. Same way in this compound both have similar property, quinoline and isoquinoline has. So this compound is a quinoline. Both are bicyclic compounds, both are heterocyclic compounds, but one is benzene ring, another is pyridine system, both are fused system, and both have wide applications in industrial applications, that is, and also for in drugs as well as in drugs and in detergents also synthesis. So many wide application for quinoline, isoquinoline. Now point there is pyrrole. Pyrrole have aromatic characteristics, but it electrophilic substitution for pyrrole. always occurs at position 2. Because due to, we can say that applications according to the resonance structure of hybrid. So this is the heteroatom nitrogen, carbon. So positive charge on heteroatom, heteroatom, that is nitrogen, and the remaining 4 atom carbons having negative charge, and hence that why the reaction does not occurs at nitrogen atom, but reaction occurs at position 2 rather than position 3 according to the resonance hybrid. And due to all these factors, it must carbon contains negative charge, nitrogen contains positive charge. So that's why, due to this reason, electrophilic substitution must occur in pyrrole at position 2 but not position 3. So we take the nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Riemer-Tiemer reaction, all these reaction on pyrrole, all these reaction in pyridine, isoquinoline must occurs at alternates carbon but does not on heteroatom, because due to these are the addition reactions, substitution reaction, Riemer-Tiemer, all these reactions are occur same way in benzene. Now benzene is more reactive than pyrrole, and due to this pyridine and pyrrole, comparison of pyridine and pyrrole. So both are heteroatom, one is 6 membering, another is 5 membering, both are aromatic according to the aromaticity. Now second point, that is nitrogen has unpaired electron, shared electron, paired electrons. These are available for sharing with acids. These 2 electrons are used in the hybridizations. Hence this pyridine is a stronger base than pyrrole according to the basicity. So that's why we call as a pyridine is stronger base.